Welcome to another video from Yas Food, and today we're going to make dhokli with peas. Let's jump right in. So first thing we're gonna do is put some oil into the pan or the pot, whatever you're using, and then we can add 1 cup of peas. We use frozen peas, but you can also use fresh peas if you want. Then we added some ginger, fresh chili, and then garlic. Now we're adding some salt, and it's completely depending on what you like. And then we add coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric, and last but not least, some cumin powder. And it's really depending on what your taste is. Now we're adding some water and let it cook for a while, just to let everything combine together and immerse and create a nice flavor. Yeah, it should look like this in the end. Now we're creating the dough, which is the most important thing about this dish, and it contains 3 different flours. So we need purpose flour, all-purpose flour, semolina, and chickpea flour, or gram flour if you like. And to that we add crushed fresh chili, crushed ginger, and also fresh garlic. We also add red chili powder, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and also some salt. Also dependent on what you like, how much salt, or if you like it less salty. That should be it, and then you just mix it with your hands a little bit together, and while that you're adding water. And in the end the dough should be like quite firm actually, and you will see the result now. It's not sticky anymore, it's like a firm ball, like when you're creating biscuits, similar to that. Now we're dividing the dough into 4 different balls. They're all the same size, just to make it easier to roll them out instead of taking the big bowl and roll that out. So as you can see, we're flouring a little bit to not let it stick somewhere, and now we're rolling it out. It should be around 3 millimeters thick, I think. Yeah, and then what you're doing is you're cutting it into strips, and these should be about 3 to 5 centimeters wide. They don't need to be perfectly sized. You can see they're different shape, it's not rectangular and all that, so it doesn't need to be perfect. And then you add them to the water, to the soup, so to say, and let them cook in there, and yeah, so You let it cook for a little while and simmer it for a little while until it gets a little bit thicker, and the consistency of the dough is like, you can see it's a little bit thicker. So that should be it, and you can serve it on a plate like this, as you can see in the picture, and I hope you enjoyed it.